What's going on, guys? My YouTubers, thanks for tuning in to my channel. And I'm actually hiking up to a beautiful river. Look at some sceneries and stuff. Capture some nice photos. So as I'm walking up, I'm going to give you guys a taste of Puerto Plata. Okay? So let me reverse this. Actually, I can't reverse it, so I'm going to have to go like this. As you see the cows and stuff. Wow. Hola, ¿cómo está? Wow. The nice, beautiful palm trees in the mountains. Yes, mi amor.
¿Cómo se dice vaca? No sé.
Come? Yeah.
Looking, everybody go.
Wow.
Over here.
So he has his cows trained. Look at that. And they're all look, guys.
Esta es la mamá, parece. No, no hace nada. Ay, qué linda.
Wow. You see how they're looking at me? You see how they're looking at me? They're looking at me like, who is it? I must look foreign to them. Wow. Amazing. Look at that, guys. Wow. And I'm sure he makes a lot of fresh milk from them, yeah? Guys, that's amazing. So this is kind of what the local life is here in DR. Then you have the guys on the moto concho. I just love hiking. I'm such a nature boy at heart. I've been to DR about 3 times. This is my 3rd time here. So I get to see more and more and more as I come. But it's definitely a beautiful country. For those of you who are thinking about visiting, don't hesitate at all. My suggestion is try to familiarize yourself with the people here, the local people. You know, you kind of gotta wean out the good from the bad, because there are some really good people here, you know, and I was lucky to actually get a chance to meet somebody nice and sincere and honest, you know, and that's how I was able to capture these kind of moments, you know, meeting somebody that lives here locally and stuff, you know. So I'm taking advantage of every single moment. Now look, this is one of the beautiful houses. It's a beautiful home, countryside. Look at the trees, beautiful, just beautiful. Guana banana, the tree. Smells really good. For those of you who are familiar with the local fruit, an island fruit I should say, is guana banana soursop. Well, this is the leaf. This is the guana banana leaf, and it smells like it. Guandule,
Banana.
banana.
Yeah, plant guandule.
Okay, so this is the guandule plant.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. So guys, fresh beans. This is the bean plant, guandule. You see, I'm getting my little
Guayabos.
education here. Okay,
Guayabos.
guajavos.
Guayaba.
So guava,
Guava, yes.
guava.
Guava.
So this
Look
is
the banana.
look at that, guys. That's banana right there, the banana plant. Look at that, amazing. And look, this is just, I'm in awe right now. I'm in awe.
Échame unos pies, que a mí me gusta mojarme los pies.
Se va a llenar todo de tierra entonces. ¿Cómo?
Yes, guys. So this is great. So you guys continue to watch my channel, continue to tune in. I'm bringing to you guys live footage. Actually, I wanted to go live so bad, but the my internet connection is really, really bad right about now. So when I get to the river where there's nicer scenes and views and stuff, I try to go live. So you guys continue to tune in.
Orange.
Oh, this is an orange leaf?
Yes, orange.
Wow. And guys, this is the orange. This is the orange tree, and it smells just like orange. Just like orange, guys.
The guandule.
Mmm. You know what? This is kind of similar. This is okay. Let me capture that. That's a guandule leaf. This is kind of similar back home. We call this wow. And look at that. An actual guandule. But we call those snap peas back home. In the United States, they're called snap peas. But that's amazing. My first guandule tree.
Banana.
Ah, more banana. Look at that.
Ay, me gusta este olor.
Somebody live here too.
I
They're like
the smell.
oh yeah,
The
that smells. You can make, you know what, with these trees here, you can make potpourri. You ever think you understand potpourri?
Potpourri.
You boil for the potpourri.
Ah, popurril.
Potpourri.
Huele a popurrí.
Yeah.
Yeah, ron.
Rum too. That's just amazing. And is this a flower? Is this the banana flower here?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. That's the banana, and that's the actual flower. I'm so loving this. Yes, mi amor.
For the tree,
Uh-huh.
you can go
Uh-huh.
to the cable car.
From here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because it's far.
Wow. So, guys, I'm hiking. I'm drinking rum. I'm enjoying this. I'm here for 10 more days, and I'm going to continue to go live and shoot footage. You guys are laughing at me. Are you guys laughing? They're laughing at me. I'm giving you very tourist stuff. But once again, guys, thanks again for tuning into my channel. I got more to come. Continue to watch. Continue to like. Continue to subscribe. I'm new to this, so I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy what I bring to you. I'm all about nature. I'm all about food. I'm all about culture. For those of you who know me, so this is just like my meditation here. It really is. This is like a relief from all the stress and everything, all the hustle and bustle back in New York. So this is like tranquility for me. Tuna?
Yeah. For the green, Joyce Green.
The cactus.
Yeah,
Okay, cactus.
Cactus is the comestible.
Look at that. Cactus tree, guys. Just amazing. So I'm hiking up the road. And as I continue to hike, I continue to stumble along different things. So that's why I keep stopping and talking and stopping. I wish I can go live with you guys, but I will. I'll try my best, okay? So it's your boy J Soul, traveling on the run. You guys continue to stay tuned, all right? Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic bound. And I'll holler at you guys later.